Hello. Welcome for interest in motorcycle food delivery bag. This style have 44, 62 and 83 liters capacity, the popular design by Velcro closure and hand carrier mode. Durable shoulder straps and reflective fabric round the bag, let delivery specialist more safety on the road. Eye-catching design add on your logo let drive your brand to increase visibility. The bag use strong and durable material. Load weight can reach 16 kilograms. Inner design of aluminum foils lining and high-density insulation foam allows it to keep the temperature for up to 4 hours. Accept this style. We are welcome for tailor-made design order from customer. If you have interest or looking for a great supplier to help you produce your ideal food delivery bag, Sheng Bags and Design Limited is your great partner. Welcome to send us your requirement. Our email is sales@hongsheng.com.hk. Or if you want to know more about us, please visit our website www.hongsheng.com.hk. Thank you.